Hey folks, I want to share with you a couple pieces of information that helped me make the flight you're about to see today as safe as I could make it. One of the tools was a VFR sectional chart. Is that the right way? You may say, well, I don't need a sectional chart. I've got Before You Fly, Kitty Hawk, and DJI says I can take off from right here if I accept all responsibility for the flight. And that sounds good. But the reason this helped me today is because it lists altitudes and heights of obstacles that are in the area that you're going to be flying. For example, I was going to be flying near some ship-to-shore cranes at the port. It lists the cranes and how high they are, main sea level, on this in this sectional chart. And there's also another thing in here called the MEF. It's a maximum elevation figure, and that's for different obstacles in that particular sectors, the highest elevation of the highest obstacle in that sector. But anyway, I didn't use that today, but I did use the numbers for the crane heights. That was really cool. And if you've never gotten a sectional chart, man, just buy one on Amazon. They're like $12 or $18. I don't remember what they were, but it's really just like looking at an old map, but for the sky. It's got a legend and it's got all the different things that everything in this map is explained in the legend, man. It's legendary. Anyway, that was really cool. And a visual observer was really helpful because there were tall light towers, there were seagulls, there were wires, there were lots of things that could have posed, a challenge had there not been a lot of effort taken to maintain situational awareness. Anyway, I said all that to say, let's watch this video, and it's pretty cool. I hope you enjoy it, and like and subscribe.